Good morning, students. Um, in this class, we discussed some problems of irrational numbers. Already in previous class, some problems discussed. Okay, we'll see some problems I explained. Uh, okay, right. Which of the following is an irrational question mark? Okay, which of the following is an irrational? 67 plus root 529 and the square root 10. Second one, 252 plus 2 plus root 196 and the square root of all this. And third one, 1821 plus 760 576. This is 576 under square root. This is under square root and square root. Okay, let's see. Which of the following is an irrational number? So first of all, calculate. Okay, right. 529. Any exact value for this 529? 529, maybe this is 23, 3 is 9, 3 to 6, 2 3 6, 2 to 4, 9, 12, 5. So this value is equal to 23. Therefore, 67 plus 23 and the square root bracket take root 10. So this value is equal to 90, root 90 into root 10. So this is root of AB, root of AB. Root of AB means that value is equal to 900. So therefore that is 30. That is 30. Then 252. 252 plus 196. What is 196 exact value? That is 14 under square root. This is equal to 14 plus 2, 16. 252 plus 16. This value is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. 6. Root 16. So this value is equal to root 16. That implies 252 plus 4 is equal to 258. 258. What is the exact value this value? Under square root of 258. Any number, possible number? 256. 4 plus 2, 6. So this is 16. So this value is equal to 16. Right. 1821 plus 760 576 24. That value is 24. 576 value 24. This value is equal to 17821 plus 584. 784. 784. What is this value? 784 perfect square. What is the square root of 784? Square root of 784. Wow. 25, 25. 26. Nearest value 28. Consider. 22, and 2 8 is 16, 2 2 4 5, 8 7 8 4. So therefore 28, 1 8 2 1 plus 28. This value is equal to 9 4 and 8 1. Square root of 1 8 29. Square root of 1 8 29. So that value is 43. So therefore 43 is what is check out 9. 1 8 40. So therefore, these number they ask which of the following is an irrational number. So 30, 60, 43 are a rational number. These are not irrational. Finally solved like this. No problem. The ascending order of x is equal to root 8 plus root 5, y is equal to root 7 plus root 6, z is equal to root 10 plus root 3. Okay. First of all, find x value, ascending order. Okay, which is ascending order means arranging like smallest value next to highest value, next to highest value, like that we arrange. First we take this x value, root 8 plus root 5. It is a irrational number. It's not possible to tell which is less value, greatest value, like that. So squaring on both sides. For this, squaring on both sides. X square root 8 plus root 5 whole square. X square a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab x square square root cancel 8 plus 5 plus root a into root b 40 x square minus 13 is equal to 2 root 40. Therefore x square minus 13 to take this side is equal to root 40. Next, y value. What is y value? Y is equal to root 7 plus root 6. For this also squaring on both sides. Y square whole square root 7 whole square root 6 whole square. Square root cancel. Y square, sorry, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 7 plus 6 plus 2 root 42. Y square 7 plus 6 13, take this side minus 13, 2 into square root of 42. Y square minus 13 by 2 is equal to square root of 42. Next take z value. What is z value? Z is equal to root 10 plus root 3. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Z square root 10 plus root 3 whole square. So that implies Z square is equal to A square plus A plus B whole square, expand identity, A square plus B square plus 2AB, that implies Z square root cancel, 10 plus 3 plus 2 root 30, Z square minus 13 is equal to 2 root 30. Therefore, Z square minus 13 by 2 is equal to root 30. Okay, they are asking the ascending order. Okay, this one, which is the smallest one, first of all root 30 and y value root 42 and root 40. So first of all write this ascending order, root 30, root 40 and root 42. Therefore this value related to this one, z, x, x and y. So these are the ascending order like this. Next one more problem. If x is equal to 86 plus 43 root 3, then x plus 43 by x is, what is the value? How to find this is solution. X plus 43 by x, this can be written as x plus 43 into 1 by x. Actually, okay, 1 by x value first to find, so otherwise directly here only find. Therefore x value, what is x value? X value 86 plus 43 into root 3 plus 43 into 1 by 86 plus 43 root 3. 86 plus 43 root 3 plus 43 of 43 take common from this 43 to 86, 2 plus root 3, 43 cancel. Then 86 plus 43 into root 3, sorry, plus 1 by 2 plus root 3, rationalize with the denominator. 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Okay, denominator is a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to 86 plus 43 of root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. This is equal to 86 plus 43 root 3, 2 minus root 3 by 2 square 4, this also cancel, 4 minus 3. 86 plus 43 root 3, 2 minus root 3 by 1, This value is equal to 86 plus 43 root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. 86 plus 2, 88. And 43 root 3 minus root 3, like 43x minus x, 42x. Therefore, 42 root 3. So finally, this value is equal to x is equal to given something. Then x plus 43 by x is, so first of all take this one and 1 by x. So this value 86 plus this one. Next take common 2 plus 3 that rationalize with the to remove the irrational number, rationalize with the denominator 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Finally, like this problems. Okay, we do some problems for homework students. A plus x plus b plus x is equal to a plus b plus 2x. Then x is equal to option 1 a comma minus b, option 2 minus a comma b, option 3 minus a comma minus b, option 4 none. So how to do this type of problems? First of all, LHS side, these two terms of square roots, and right side also one square root. To remove square root, squaring on both sides, we get answers in terms of x. So you know, I'm sure you know how to find x values like as a quadratic equation already in previous class. So solve the x values by factorization. Find the x, a, what are the two values. Or this is not possible means none of this. Okay, next problem. The descending order of x is equal to cube root of 1 by 2, y is equal to 4th root 2, z is equal to 6th root 1 by 3. Right. First option x, y, z. Second option y, x, z. Third option z, x, y. Fourth option y, z, x. Okay, solve and to remove the descending order, which are the in the previous one I expand ascending order, now descending order. Correct. One more problems. And 6. Come. The value of under square root 41 plus under square root 54 plus under square root 88 plus under square root 128 plus under square root 256. Okay, so these options 1, 7, second option 6, third option 8, fourth option 10. Okay. How to find means here first find out the square root, we get some answer, exact value. This plus this will add this value we'll get some exact value, and next add for this one, and after finding this one, add to this one 54, get some value, exact value, and next again add for 41, get finally any one option. So like that we solve this type of problems. Fourth one, E for 1 plus x by 289 under square root is equal to 1 whole by 17, then x is equal to first option 1, second option 13, third option 35, fourth option 15. Fourth option 15. How means this is squaring on both. First of all, convert it a rational number. Afterwards, squaring on both sides and take LCM. Send that set to 89. Find the x value. So like that you solve. Next, one more. The value of 0.16 divided by 0. These are the decimal values, numerator and denominator. You can first of all you convert it to a rational number. Afterwards solve. After getting square root exact value, then you divide that values like that. First option 0.0, that is better. First you convert it to rational number. First option 0.02, second option 0.2, third option 0.63. These are not equal to this value. So last option, none of these. So, none of these. Okay, students. Like this. And one more row. If minus 1 to the power of n plus minus 1 to the power of 4n is equal to 0, then n is of 1, any positive. Any positive. Second option, any negative integer. Any negative integer. Third option, any odd natural number. Any odd natural number. Fourth option, any even natural number. Okay, already explained. Minus 1 to the power of odd number is, suppose, explain here. Minus 1 to the power of 3. Suppose minus 1 to the power of 2. Answer 1. Minus 1 to the power of cube. Minus 1. Like that, minus 1 to the power of 100. Even number. 100 is equal to 1. Like that, minus 1 to the power of 401. Odd number, this one is equal to minus 1. Use like that one. When you get answer 0, this minus 1 to 4 into something, that always even number, no problem. About this one, you can means analysis this concept of this minus 1 to the power of even number is plus minus 1 to the power of odd number. How much is there? Odd number is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of even number is equal to plus 1. Use that concept to find out the option. Okay, students. Next class we'll continue in the next concept. Thank you.